I'm going to tell you the 3 biggest misconceptions about Zillow. I'm going to correct those misconceptions for you and tell you how you can work around the system for your benefit. Misconception number 1. People think Zillow is an information platform. Zillow is not an information platform. What it is an advertising platform. Zillow is a multi-billion-dollar company making money off you clicking on real estate listings and giving your information to realtors who are then going to pay for that information. I'm an advertiser on Zillow. I pay them a lot of money to get your information. Zillow's game is to be forefront, to make sure Google knows that, hey, when you're searching for homes, you're going to find Zillow. When you get to Zillow, you're going to see homes. So on my end, what I see is I see your information. We're going to try to contact you. We're going to try to capitalize on that information to gain you as a client. Zillow is a major corporation who's got computer algorithms coming up with computations and giving you approximates. There's no substitute for a live, experienced person who knows the local market. Zillow has succeeded by providing a ton of great information. Now, they are not responsible to make sure that information is 100% accurate. So can you go there to get generalizations, to find out about neighborhoods, to see, to get a feeling for what homes are selling for in a particular neighborhood, etc.? You certainly can. But particular home values, you really need to talk to a local professional who's in and out of all of these houses every day.